Join me as I make this healthy carrot juice today. I will be using some carrots, oranges, ginger and turmeric for this drink. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll start by prepping my ginger. Ginger helps to reduce inflammation, improves circulation, resulting in healthier, clearer looking skin. Carrots, as you already know, has a high level of antioxidants and nutrients, such as anti-carotene. Carrots are high in vitamin A, which can help to improve the skin's natural barrier function, keeps the skin moisturized, and reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Oranges are a good source of vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin, boost collagen production, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And turmeric too contains antioxidants compound, which help to reduce hyperpigmentation and also the overall appearance of your skin. I'll be using my juicer to extract this juice. I'll start by adding my carrots, orange, ginger, turmeric, one after the other. If you don't have a juicer, you can achieve the same result by chopping your carrots and orange into smaller sizes. Then you put them into your blender and add some water. Give it a nice blend and you extract the juice using a cheesecloth. That way you can get to achieve a nice and healthy carrot juice. You can have this with your family as it's a great way to boost your immune system and a better way to get your vitamin A and C in your body. Thanks for watching. Bye.